Okay, so I'm going to be explaining how to find the quartiles of a data set. This is specifically math lit related rather than mathematics specifically. So we are not going to be finding their positions, rather we are going to be finding the values themselves. Right, so given a data set, to find the 5-point summary for a box and whisker graph, you need to have them in ascending order first, meaning from small to big. All right? Then your minimum value is the first point of your box, of your whisker. Then we're going to look for quartiles 1, 2, and 3, as well as the maximum value. The maximum value here would be 43, and the minimum value 5. All right, so to find your quartiles, we first need to look for the median. The median is the same as quartile 2. All right, so we're looking for the median of this data set. And I'm going to go looking, and I say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 data values. That means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upper values. And my median is 21. All right. Your median itself is not part of the lower half or upper half of your data set. Right. After that, we can now go looking for quartile 1. Quartile 1 is the median of this lower half. In other words, if I completely covered that, and I only have these 5 values left, the median would be the second 16. All right? So that is quartile 1. Similarly, if I cover the bottom half and I'm looking for the upper quartile, then it is the median of these 5 numbers, which would be 31. All right. So that is example 1. Now you can draw your box and whisker based on these 5 values. For example 2, again, your data values need to be arranged in ascending order before you can do anything. If it is unorganized, then you cannot find the quartiles. You need to organize it first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data values. That means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Okay? My minimum value is obviously 10. My maximum value is 51. To find the quartiles, we start with quartile 2, which is the median of the entire data set. So, the median is going to be exactly halfway between 24 and 21. So neither 24 nor 21 are actually our median. They're both in the middle. So the median lies exactly halfway between them. So to find quartile 2, I need to find the number that is exactly halfway between these two. The easiest way to do that is to add them together and divide the result in 2. All right? So that is going to be 25 and a half. You can type it into your calculator. All right. Quartile 1 is the median of the lower half. Please note that the 24 is still included because it's not the actual median. Alright? We used it to find the actual median. Whereas in this example, 21 was the median. So it wasn't included in the lower or upper half. So these 5 numbers are our lower half. To find quartile 1, we find the median of that quartile, of that half, which is 18. That's quartile 1. Similarly, this is our upper half. It includes 27 because 27 is not the actual median. And we have 5 values here, so this value is quartile 3, the median of the upper half. Right, let's move on to example 3. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 values. If you find it easier to find your median by doing the following: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's completely fine. So our median is 20. Just make sure to do it in pencil because you still want to be able to use these values and those values. Alright, now our lower half is these numbers. There are 6 numbers here, which means that quartile 1 is going to be exactly between between 13 and 17. So, to find the number that is exactly halfway between 13 and 17, we add 13 and 17 together and divide the result by 2. That is going to give me 15. Alright, similarly, this is our upper half. Please notice that neither the upper or lower half include 20 because 20 is the actual median. There are 6 values in the upper half, which means that quartile 3 will lie exactly between the 3rd and 4th values. To find the value that is halfway between 29 and 33, you take 29 plus 33 and you divide your answer in half. That will give me 31. Alright, last example over here. And the example is the quote most difficult. The only reason that it is the most difficult is because we're going to have to do this process of adding and then dividing by 2 for all 3 quartiles. Right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 values, which means that I have 6 values in my lower half and 6 values in my upper half to work with. Quartile 2 is exactly between 27 and 31. That is our median. These are the 2 values that are in the middle. So to find the median, it needs to be the number exactly halfway between 27 and 31. 27 plus 31 and divide the result by 2. That gives me 58 divided by 2, which should be 27. 6. No. 29. My mistake. Alright. Then, quartile 1 is the median of this lower half. There are 6 values, which means that it's going to be exactly there. There are 3 numbers above and 3 numbers below it. So quartile 1 is halfway between 16 and 19. That is going to be 17.5. Similarly, there are 6 values in my upper half, which means that quartile 3 will be exactly between the 3rd and 4th values. 3 below, 3 above. So quartile 3 is 38 plus 39 and divided by 2 to get the halfway point. That is going to be 38.5.